Hey guys, I just made a new TikTok. I've been having so much fun on it. If you guys want to check it out, link will be in the description below. I made 2 videos and they sort of went viral, so if you guys want to check it out, I'll also put it right here. Let me know what you guys think. How to check if your car is low enough. Fuck! How to check if your car is low enough. Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. So I didn't think I'd have to make a video like this, but I wanted to give you guys a quick update on how everything is going. I got a call today from Ziggy about the Supra. We ran into a very big problem while we were working on it, and it turns out that we are going to have to... Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna go over there and show you guys. I'm actually gonna head over. He's gonna show me what's up, go a little more into detail about what we're gonna have to do and options and such. We're gonna talk about our next game plan, so I'll see you guys over at Ziggy's. Alrighty, so we are here and I'm about to look at the bottom end for the first time. Kind of nervous to see it, but see how it goes. Alright Ziggy, so what happened?
You got a bunch of rod bearing shavings, dude. Can't really specify which rod it's coming from until we start taking it apart, so you can see you got...
Oh, that is bad. That's really bad.
Number of shavings, and it's right here by the pickup. If you get a glove, you stick your finger in there, it's all the way up in there too.
Kind of looks like glitter.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really bad. What if it was half of that? Would it matter?
I mean, it's still bad, dude. You get a little bit, which is normal upon like a brand new motor and a rebuild. For an old block, something's giving up.
So what's the plan now? Fuck.
Got to rebuild the bottom end, take it apart, measure shit out, see how the crank is. Hopefully, you know, it didn't damage the crank.
Alright, so Ziggy did call me at work today, and he gave me the bad news, which is really funny because I had a dream about this 3 weeks ago, and I try to forget about it, and here we are in real life, and he gives me a call and tells me that the bottom end is pretty much blown. We don't really know if the pistons are messed up or anything. We're just assuming it's the... You said the rod bearings?
Yeah, rod bearings.
So those are rod bearing shavings?
I'm sure the pistons are fine, but
you gotta swap them all out anyway.
as the rod bearings start taking the shit, the skirts start fucking up, digging into the cylinder walls. Yeah. This is your pickup from where the oil goes to feed the motor. As you can see, it's littered with your bearing. So we don't know what passed through the screen and what didn't, but we know right here, you know, obviously that stuff didn't make it in there.
Yeah. So we talked it over. We got a pretty good price. Ziggy was kind enough to like sweet talk him, so we're gonna go through this guy as well since he's already working on the head. And we're thinking what, forged pistons? Like why not?
If you want to go that route, might as well get some forged rods, dude, and let's put some power down on this bitch, dude.
You said that he was also gonna bore it, so it's gonna be a little bit bigger, right?
Yeah, he's gonna oversize it a little bit because we don't know exactly how damaged the cylinder is. So, I mean, obviously one of the rods is taking a shit, or it could be multiple that are taking a shit, but... So basically, everything's gonna be pushed back a little bit longer, but it gives me and Ziggy more time, so if we want to paint the engine bay, we can, you know, make use of all this downtime, right? But I don't know if you saw this in the last video, there's a few people, and they're like, bro, check out those fucking Nismo wheels. Dude, people are fucking hyped on this wheel. So you're gonna sell them to me or what? No, dude. I'm gonna get buried with those.
Dude, this fool's stingy. You found another pair, right? And he wanted to buy them just to have them. You're not even gonna use them. You just want them to have. Like, you're not even using them as drift spares or nothing. Yeah, what a stingy guy. I'm gonna buy them.
The only problem that I didn't like with your block is that I guess these people were running coolant. So you see how it's rusting all inside in the coolant jackets? And it actually started eating into the head a little bit. We're actually into the block. But when we get it resurfaced, dude, you should mill that off, no problem.
So everything that you see here is fixable?
Yes.
Like, they're gonna take care of it no matter what?
Aside from the bearing, you know, that has to be changed out.
Thank you for caring. I mean, what else can we do, right?
Yeah.
Hey, but let's go take a look at your Nissan real quick.
Oh, hell no.
Let's show them.
Does it turn on?
Yo, we got 240 gang over here. What?
Special.
Guys, comment down below if you want me to get a 240. I think I might be able to snag one this year. Ziggy was telling me about it.
Get a 240, get a 240.
It needs work. I showed him the whole list like of what's wrong, and he's like, I could do it. 240?
That'd be nice.
This is the invoice. I'm not going to show you guys the price, but they're going to do everything. Wait, what's that price?
That's what he was quoting.
Oh, but we got it cheaper because you finessed.
Story of my life.
I'm gonna go through it, proof check, and we're pretty much gonna proceed with it. I want forged pistons anyways. I know I can get away with OEM, but since we're already in here, and if I want to do more power in the future, why not? It'll be ready. I love spending money. Is it 2 months?
Give or take. It just depends if we come across anything that's like a surprise. Like let's say the crank takes a shit, dude, or you know, cylinder 3 dug into the crank and the crank's not repairable, and now we need to find another crank.
So I came home earlier after work and I told my mom about everything. I already texted her like right after you told me. I was like, hey mom, like this is what's gonna happen, because I tell her everything, not just because like it's expensive. I just like telling her shit. Like we bond. Like I tell her about cars. Yeah, she tells me about like her handbags and like, oh, how much she spent on this shit and all that. And I'm like, oh fuck. I was telling her, right? And she was like, okay, well, can it be fixed? And I was like, yeah, like Ziggy can get it done and everything. And she was like, okay, so you're gonna spend all of this money. The car is gonna run like with 0 miles, but it's still gonna look like shit. She was like, it's not gonna be painted, right? I'm like, no, that's afterwards. Yeah. But she was like expecting it to be like off the lot already, just from this shit that we're doing.
Fuck, that shit'll be able to smoke anything in that driveway that'll ever pull up. You know what I mean?
0 miles. Alright, Ziggy, so what are you gonna do with this Type X 240? When are we gonna see this on the road again?
Never.
What do you need?
Nothing, dude. I lost my coupe, dude, to an old lady that rear-ended me. I'd rather just have her chill right here in the garage, waste away, and...
Yeah, but when is this gonna be drivable again?
It's drivable now.
You got the ECU?
No, I need to send it out, dude, but I could turn it on right now if we want, dude, but...
I'm just trying to cruise with you, bro. One cruise and one car meet together. Come on.
We'll do that, dude. I do need a...
What the... Just made it home. Kind of sucks, but that's the issue with the Supra. You only live once. We're gonna full send. Now, there's another issue, and it's with the Lexus this time. I know this video was supposed to be about the Lexus, but something happened this morning. If you guys watched one of my previous videos talking about air suspension and the issues that I had to replace the manifold because it took a shit on me. I got it warrantied out, all that stuff, but we are experiencing that issue once again with this new manifold, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. And the rear driver's side is giving me inaccurate numbers, and I also got a code. I'm gonna show you guys right now. I'm gonna start up the car. So this is what I'm talking about. See how it says fault pressure sensor? So I normally have my car aired out to 20 psi all around, and I noticed this morning when I aired up, that driver's side rear just kept fluctuating from like 145 to 135 to 120 back to 140, and just was all over the place. And I've dealt with this before, so I know when the remote controller is giving you inaccurate readings, the manifold is fucked up. That sucks, but when shit happens, the only thing you can do is just let it happen and move forward. It just sucks that this happened to me once before, and it's happening again and again, and it's like I move forward, go back down. Move forward, go back down. Why me? What did I do to deserve this? 2021 was supposed to be my year. We're gonna keep pushing, and this is just a little minor setback. I already have the other manifold on the way, so we're Gucci. So yeah guys, that's pretty much what I'm dealing with at the moment. It kind of sucks, but I don't want to leave you guys in the dust if I don't come out with more videos soon. I personally don't want to drive the Lexus while it's like this, because I don't know what happens if I'm trying to air up, go home, and it's giving me inaccurate readings like 180 psi, but in reality it's at 120, but the readings are off. So I'm gonna be a little tipped off, and I'm not gonna know if I'm driving it safe or if it's too low or if it's too high, or like, you just won't know with inaccurate readings, so it kind of sucks. They're sending me a new manifold. I'm gonna install that soon, and then I can finally finish the other video that I already filmed. I just need a few more clips, but we got a new part installed on the Lexus. I've been driving it. I love it, but we have to tweak it just a little bit and it'll be perfect. But since I already have you guys here and I can't really show much content because none of my cars work, I will show you guys what I just got painted for the Supra. Oh my god, it came out so good. Huge shout out to Cyril. We just picked it up, and check out how good it looks. So we'll start off with the valve covers. These are the covers that go on top of the head. Check this out. God damn! Look at that, that is fire. So this used to be black and it had red stripes right here, but I want to do it candy blue with a little bit of blurple. This is nice, holy shit. I don't know if you guys can really see it. Oh my god. Fire. We have the other side as well, also very fire. Yo, look at his work. Ooh, we got the timing cover. So sick. It used to say 7M GT right here. I honestly might put something else, so that's why I had him take it off and just paint all over it. I don't know if the camera can like pick up the sparkle or like the pearls. Then we have the bottom of the timing cover. This one's metal. The first piece I showed you guys was plastic. He even painted the numbers white just so my buddy Ziggy can see what the timing needs to be adjusted to. So it was really nice of him to do that. And last but not least, we have the back of the timing cover, I guess. This is all metal. Painted this whole thing. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, guys, I forgot. Cyril also did me a solid and painted my oil cap. I'm in love with everything. So I laid everything out for you guys to see. Some people have told me it's very similar to my dad's Lexus, which I can kind of see, but I wanted to go a little bit darker. His, when the sun hits it, it's really bright, like it pops in your face, especially when it's clean. This, I wanted it to be a little darker. I know it looks really light on film, but that's because of the LED that I have on right now. We tested it with sunlight and it looks dark and really nice. I really do like my dad's paint, but I wanted to do something of my own. This is a completely custom color that he just came up with. He also gave me a lot of touch-up paint so I can, you know, fix little chips if I have to. But damn, I'm so stoked on all of this. Now you guys know why I can't really change the direction of where we're going with the build, because I already put so much money into this engine and into this car that I can't just scrap everything and just go Jay-Z. I don't shit money out of my ass, and I don't know, I'm like attached. I want to build this car right, leave it original for the most part, and just give it the love that the previous owner didn't give it. Let's go, Blue Gang. Yeah, that's how that's supposed to look. This goes on top, this goes behind that. I don't know if I've told you guys this before, but the theme for the Supra is white and blue because the Lexus is already black and red. So I wanted to do like a little opposite type of thing. But yeah, guys, if you watch this, thank you so much. I don't really have anything else for this video because there's not much I can do. Can't really work on the Lexus until I get it drivable again where it's safe. Obviously can't work on the Supra because now it's pushed back. But during this downtime, we're planning on doing a lot of stuff. Ziggy's gonna be working on the wiring harness, and we're also gonna pressure wash the engine bay. We're gonna paint the engine bay. We're gonna try to do as much as we can. We're still gonna pull through with this build, and it's gonna come out better than I ever expected. As Ziggy would say, once we're done with this build, it's gonna be tits. I hope you guys enjoyed this little update video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you want to keep up with the Supra and the Lexus, because I promise I will get more content. I know I've said it for so long, but everything takes time and I'm working on it. I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later. Man, everyone's tripping if they think this looks like my dad's color. Mine looks better.